To set video wallpaper on the home screen on a Samsung A07, you can only do that by using applications from the Google Play Store. As default, by using Films application, you can only set video wallpaper on your lock screen. So you have to start by opening Play Store on your phone. There we go. Now you have to go for search and pick the application that you like. There's a lot of different apps, but I can recommend you this one, Zedge Wallpapers. You can find there a lot of wallpapers, animated, normal wallpapers, ringtones, just everything. So you don't have to pay for this subscription, just go for the video wallpapers. And now scroll down and pick the wallpaper that you like. So in my case, I will go for this one. And over here, as you can see, when I'm gonna scroll to the left or the right side, I can find a preview of this wallpaper and how it looks. If I want to download, I have to just click here and then I have to click to set video wallpaper.